Hello everyone, welcome to the online video classes of St. Joseph Academy. This video is for class 2 subject environmental studies, and in this video we are going to do the revision of chapter number 14. In the previous video we have revised half of the chapter 40. Now we will complete and continue with the chapter number 14 revision. And the name of the chapter is The World Around Us. This video is prepared by your EVS teacher Deepa Singh. So let's go through the chapter once again and see what all is there and revise it and prepare it for our exams. Part 2. First is weather. What is a weather? When the climatic conditions remain same for a short period of time, that is called weather. And when the weather remains same for a long period, we call it a season. So, when the climatic conditions are same for a long period of the time, then it is called as season. There are 3 main seasons in our country, and that is summer, winter, rainy season. So we have 3 main seasons in our country: summer, winter and rainy season. But other than these 3 main seasons, we also have 2 short seasons, that is spring and autumn. So spring and autumn are 2 short seasons that come in between these main seasons. So students, we have 3 main seasons and 2 short seasons. Now let us study these seasons one by one. So children, first season is summer season. Summer season is in the month of April, May and June. The month of April, May and June are the hot months of the year. The sun shines brightly in the sky. This period is called the summer season. So, the month of April, May and June, when the sun shines brightly in the sky, the weather is hot and dry, that is called as the summer season. People like to stay indoors and use fans, coolers or air conditioners. So in the hot season, when it is very hot and dry, winds are blowing, at the time we all like to stay indoor and we use fans, coolers or AC to keep ourselves in a good room temperature. We like to have cold drinks, fruits and juices to feel cool. In the summer season, we like cold drinks, fruits and juices to make ourselves feel cool. And we also like to wear light colored cotton clothes. We don't like to wear sweaters or jackets during the summer season, but we like to wear simple light colored cotton clothes. So summer month is in the month of April, May and June. Children, now let's see the next season, that is rainy season. After the hot summer comes the rainy season or the monsoon season. Dark clouds can be seen in the sky. The rain comes in the months of July, August and September. Cool winds from the sea bring the rain clouds. So when it is hot summer going on, after that comes the rainy season, or we call it the monsoon season. At that time we can see the dark clouds in the sky, and those dark clouds, they bring the rain, and cool winds from the sea also bring the rain clouds. And rain comes in the month of July, August and September. In the rainy season, we use umbrellas, raincoats and gumboots to protect ourselves from rain. Rainfall is necessary for crops. So in the rainy season, to protect ourselves from the rain, we use umbrellas or raincoats or gumboots to protect ourselves from the rain. And secondly, rain is also very necessary for the crops. Crops get the good amount of water and they grow up properly. So rain is necessary for the crops also. Now we come to autumn season. Autumn comes after monsoon. October and November are autumn months. The weather is neither too hot nor too cold. In many places, the leaves of the trees turn yellow as they dry up and fall during autumn. So after the monsoon or the rainy season comes the autumn season. It is in the month of October and November. During this season, the weather is very good. It is neither too hot nor too cold. But in many places, the leaves of the trees turn yellow, they dry up and they fall down. And after that, new leaves come. Then comes the winter season. December, January and early February are winter months. Winters are cold and sometimes windy. The air becomes cold and the sun is not very bright. People wear woolen clothes to keep their body warm. They light fires and heaters. Some hilly areas have snowfall. The mountain peaks get covered with snow. So students, during the winter season, cold and windy winds are there. The sun is not very bright. The air becomes cold. And now we like to wear woolen clothes so that we can keep our body warm. We wear socks. We put on caps. We light fires and heaters, and the mountain peaks, they get covered with snow. And the winter months are December, January and early February. And last comes the month of spring season. Spring months are February and March. During this time, the weather is neither hot nor cold. The warmth makes plants grow. New leaves, flowers and butterflies can be seen everywhere. So by the springtime, the weather becomes very good. It is neither hot nor cold. The warmth of the plant make it grow. New leaves, flowers and butterflies we can see enjoying themselves at every place. With this student, we come to the end of our video part 2 of chapter number 14. I hope you all must have enjoyed the video. So that's all for today's video. So students, we have revised our chapter. Now we come to the revision test. here is a short revision test for you, and you have to do this test in your EVS copy. So first question is, what is season? Copy down the question in your notebook and write down the answer. What is season? Then question number 2 is, how are days and nights formed? How are days and nights formed? Question 3 is, December or June is winter month. 4th is, the shortest day of the year is 21st December or 23rd June. You have to choose the correct one. Then you have to draw the faces of the moon and label them. You have to draw a beautiful diagram of the different faces of the moon and you have to label it. So students, this is all for your revision test of chapter number 14. Thank you and have a nice day. In the next video, we will revise chapter number 15. Till then, goodbye and be safe at home.